Welcome to our Islamic Valley, where we delve into the fascinating world of memory and unlock the secrets to unleashing your brain's limitless capacity. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can go from having an average memory to becoming extraordinary. Get ready for some shocking revelations and hidden secrets that will transform the way you think about your memory. Have you ever found yourself struggling to remember important information, like names, dates, or even where you left your keys? It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you that your memory has the potential to be extraordinary? That's right. In this video, we're going to uncover the hidden secrets that will help you tap into your brain's limitless memory capacity. Get ready for a mind-blowing journey that will forever change the way you perceive your memory. The power of association. Our first hidden secret lies in the power of association. Did you know that your brain is wired to remember information better when it's connected to something meaningful? It's true. We'll reveal mind-boggling techniques that will allow you to link unrelated pieces of information in ways you never thought possible. From creating vivid mental images to using storytelling techniques, you'll learn how to supercharge your memory by leveraging the power of association. Mnemonic marvels. Prepare to be amazed by the ancient mnemonic techniques that have been used for centuries to enhance memory. We'll uncover the secrets behind these memory-boosting methods and demonstrate how you can apply them in your everyday life. From the method of loci, where you visualize information in specific locations, to the PEG system, which uses visual anchors, these techniques are so powerful, they will leave you wondering why you haven't been using them all along. Mind games and memory tricks. Get ready for some shocking mind games and memory tricks that will challenge your perception of memory. We'll dive into the fascinating world of memory illusions and show you how your brain can be easily deceived. You won't believe the impact these tricks can have on your ability to remember and recall information accurately. From the misinformation effect to the power of suggestion. We'll explore the hidden ways our memories can be influenced and provide tips on how to protect against memory distortions. Supercharging your memory. It's time to supercharge your memory with cutting-edge techniques backed by scientific research. We'll introduce you to brain-boosting exercises, nutrition tips, and lifestyle adjustments that can have a profound impact on your memory. Discover the power of brain games and puzzles. Explore the benefits of a memory-friendly diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. And learn how sleep and stress management can affect your memory. These hidden secrets will take your memory from ordinary to extraordinary. Memory in action. To truly understand the power of your brain's limitless memory capacity, we'll witness incredible feats of memory in action. Prepare to be astounded as we showcase individuals with extraordinary memory abilities and explore the science behind their remarkable feats. From memorizing decks of cards to reciting long sequences of numbers, you'll see firsthand what is truly possible when you tap into your brain's hidden potential. You'll be inspired to push the boundaries of your own memory abilities. Embracing visualization. One of the most powerful tools for enhancing memory is visualization. We'll dive deep into the world of visual imagery and show you how to harness its incredible potential. Discover how creating vibrant mental pictures can significantly improve your ability to remember and recall information. From visualizing concepts as vivid scenes to creating memorable associations, you'll learn how to tap into the hidden power of visualization and unlock a new level of memory mastery. Mindfulness and memory. Did you know that being present and practicing mindfulness can positively impact your memory? In this segment, we'll explore the connection between mindfulness and memory retention. Discover how reducing distractions and being fully engaged in the present moment can improve your ability to encode and recall information. We'll share practical techniques and exercises to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life, boosting your memory and overall cognitive function. The role of emotions. Emotions play a crucial role in memory formation and retrieval. We'll delve into the fascinating science behind emotional memory and show you how to leverage this connection to enhance your recall. From using personal anecdotes to evoke emotions to associating information with strong emotional experiences, you'll discover how to tap into the power of emotions to make memories more vivid and lasting. The multisensory approach. Engaging multiple senses can significantly enhance memory retention. In this segment, we'll explore the multisensory approach to memory enhancement. Discover how incorporating sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and even touch can create a rich tapestry of memories. We'll provide practical tips on how to incorporate multisensory experiences into your learning and everyday life, allowing you to create more vivid and memorable memories. Memory boosters in daily life. Our final segment is all about incorporating memory boosters into your daily life. We'll provide you with a toolkit of practical strategies that you can easily implement to maximize your memory potential. From organizing information using mnemonic devices to utilizing spaced repetition techniques, you'll learn how to optimize your learning and recall abilities. These simple yet powerful techniques will empower you to take control of your memory and unlock its limitless potential. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing this mind-expanding journey into the science of memory. By uncovering the hidden secrets, exploring visualization, mindfulness, emotions, the multisensory approach, and incorporating memory boosters into your daily life, you're well on your way to becoming a memory master. Remember, your memory is a remarkable tool waiting to be unleashed. Embrace these techniques, practice regularly, and watch as your memory transforms from average to extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of memory and its extraordinary capabilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who are ready to tap into their brain's limitless memory capacity. Stay tuned for more shocking and thought-provoking content on our channel. Until next time, keep expanding the boundaries of your memory and unlocking the limitless power of your incredible brain.